Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they want to make the blues red. They bought this file and you can see I'm guessing he's going to want to cut this out, but regardless, it'll work for either one. This is an object. This is a text. So he wants the blues to change to red and the blacks to change to blue, if that's what I understand. So you can do this with find and replace, but it's a lot easier just to go to edit, select all objects, and then you can right click red, and if you're going to cut this out, you would want to turn it into a hairline. Now it turned the text red because it's actually put an outline around it. But if we do the same thing with edit, select all text, and then I believe he wanted the text blue, and there you have a blue text. Now the only problem I see with this file is that the numbers are really close to the cutout. I mean, that might even cut out. You might want to think about repositioning these letters. You know, some of them might be good, but that 3/8 is just really close to that other one. But and then like the 9/16. Anyway, I don't know what brand of laser he has. I would want my text to be black. So same thing, just go to edit, select all text, and turn it to black. And then that would engrave. But anyway, I hope that helped him, and thank you for watching.